Sophia.
Don't let her forget what a good thing she has with me. Just be like, wow, I am so impressed with your cool boyfriend. I cannot believe he gave you that basket, which was really something. I understand. To see Angela dancing with me must be...
We're watching when we're playing.
I think so, bud. Oh, we've been all Ricky de Luna. Angela will be no different. No, you're wrong.
Ricky de Luna to the dance floor. Angela wants to rehearse the super romantic part of the dance.
Ah, the lady calls. Soon Angela will choose between us. And who will she pick? Tom, who hides in my costumes? Or Ricky, the irresistible dancer with a breath as fresh as a herd of roses? No, she'll pick me, Ricky. No matter how fantastic your breath is.
All right, we need this dance to be perfect. Action!
Wow. So you're telling me that Angela's gonna wind up with Ricky de Luna? International superstar and pop idol? Oh, lucky her. I mean, that's terrible for you, but wow, Ricky de Luna, quite a catch. I should have given her space. I feel horrible.
Ayan, si Lola. Dito lang sa labas. Nung narinig ni Lola yung music, ayan, nakadungo sa bintana si Lola. No more onggoy. Jumping on the bed. Salam.
Thank you, Tita Maring. Salamat.
Si Inday. Si Inday. Si Bibi. Ayan. Very early sila pupunta sa bahay, guys. Nanood ng TV, guys. It's my birthday. Birthday ni Inday.
Happy birthday, Walamit Toyo. Walamit Toyo. Walamit Toyo. Celebrate. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it's time to drink. If you're happy and you know and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know it's time to drink. If you're happy and you know it's time to drink.
Saan mong gidraw? What about your drawing?
Lube.
Lube? Where's the lube?
Here's the lube.
I didn't see the lube.
But I see the lube. Larang lube. Larang lube na.
Wala, Sophia. I think that's not a lube.
It's a lube.
And then, what's the red one?
This. A red apple.
Red apple. Why is it circle? There's no trees.
It falls up there right here.
How about kay Inday? Wow, very good. Ang kay Inday, oh. Grabe ang clouds ni Inday, oy. Wow, ka Sofia. Grabe ang mga grass ni Sofia, oh. Napay kuan. Kanang yellow. How about the yellow one?
Sun.
Dako kay sun di ay.
Happy ka
Ha?
Happy.
Happy ang sun?
Mani, Arabic mo.
Let's see if you can practice.
Dili. Dak.
Duck.
Dak. What mo? Mouse! Mouse!
Unsa lang?
Rat.
Ah!
Ang mouse gani gamay na. Mouse! Mouse! Mouse!
It's a hamster.
Check. Guinea pig.
Guinea pig.
Guinea pig daya.
A rabbit. Ferret.
Ferret. Raccoon ang kayang-yang. Rattlesnake. Tuko.
Next animal.
Uy, naunsam na si Bluey. Nisak ka.
It's a dolphin.
Abrihin na. Abrihin kay pag-asa si Bluey te. Bluey, gawas Bluey. Dili oy. Dili. Seal. Gawas Bluey. Gawas Bluey.
Killer whale.
Iguana.
A chameleon.
Chameleon ka. Chameleon.
Guess the animal.
Naog Sofia. Naog Sofia. Kay mahagbong ka lang.
Iguana!
Koala.
Monster.
Stingray. Okay, hard level. Let's go to the hard level. Be ready, Sofia.
Marmot.
Marmot.